Welcome to this video where we're going to tackle a common problem in converting a method to an expression tree. The problem at hand involves an error message stating that an expression of type System.Void cannot be used for return type test database models.test_enum. Additionally, we want to know how to capture the input value for the output as part of the exception test. Now, let's delve into the solution for the problem we just discussed. To address the issue of the void return type, we can utilize the Expression.Condition method. By using Expression.Condition, test.exp, obj.exp, false.exp, enum type, we can ensure that the return type is properly handled in the expression tree. Moving on with the solution, we need to specify a type for the throw expression to resolve the error. By utilizing expression, throw expression, constant new exception, enum type, we can set the appropriate type for the throw expression within the expression tree. Continuing with the solution, we can construct the exception message by concatenating strings in the input parameter value. By following the provided code snippet, we can efficiently generate the exception message and throw the exception with the necessary type information to complete the expression tree. In summary, we have tackled the issue of converting a method to an expression tree by utilizing the Expression.Condition method to handle the return type, specifying the type for the throw expression, and constructing the exception message to include the input parameter value. I hope this solution has been helpful to you in understanding and resolving similar challenges. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below. Remember, coding is all about embracing challenges and finding creative solutions.